What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix atomic heart available in the full version of the game pass error or the car glitch error in your atomic heart. I will show you the 5 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, you have to just need to update the graphic card drivers or the GPU drivers. In case of the NVIDIA, open the GeForce Experience and check any update is available. Then you have to just update it. If you are using the AMDA, then you have to just open the Radeon graphic drivers and then check any update is available. So just update it. In case of the GPU Intel drivers, you have to just open this website and then click on the download now. After downloading, just install it, and if already installed, you have to just update it. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to the second method, close the atomic heart, close the Xbox app and then reopen the Xbox app and verify that atomic heart is now downloading additional assets and relaunch the game. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our third method, you have to just open the Steam library, right click on the atomic heart, click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of the game files and then relaunch your game. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our fourth solution, which is so simple. In most of the cases it is enough to restart your system one time to solve this error, so you must try this as well. If the problem persists, then you have to just disable the antivirus software that you are using in your system. Moving to our last solution, you have to just uninstall your game and then reinstall it. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. I hope this video works for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.